Bonjour tout le monde, je suis Prof. Jean et on va parler du module 4. D'abord, bonne année. The year, trust me, is going to be better than last one for everyone. And let's go to the business right now. So, in this module, in general terms, we're going to study about the verb aller, that is the verb to go to, and we're going to talk about the verb avoir and the expressions with avoir. So to have expressions. Also, we're going to have we're going to study as well the son and lettre, the oral vowels and nasal vowels. Also, we're going to talk about the cinema and the déjeuner, the having breakfast, having lunch. Also, we're going to talk about the leisure time, the leisure activities, also what to do in the restaurant, in the coffee shop. In the coffee shop sounds weird, but yeah, in the cafeteria is what I meant. Also, we're going to review question words and to go to places and to go to do things in the future, in the near future. And we're going to talk about some irregular verbs and EIR verbs, the regular ones. And it's going to be in general terms regarding to the book. And for this module, what we have. This one is going to be similar as the others. We're going to complete the activities on VHL and then we're going to take the unit test. Remember that the test review is already available, so you have to check it out and check the comments I have there because I'm going to give you clues and hints about the exam and the question and what is expected. That is the most important thing. Also, make sure to check the feedback on previous exams because you're going to need it for studying the new ones. In general terms, when you are learning a language, everything is a spiral. So whatever we have studied before, let's say conjugations, is going to keep going in the next level, in the next chapter. So you have to pay attention to that. Also, remember that whenever you're going to complete compositions on Padlet and Flipgrid activities on Flipgrid, you have to check first the previous feedback and you have to complete first the unit test. Once you complete the unit test, you can complete the Flipgrid activities, composition activities, after checking the feedback as well. Also, in this module, you have the opportunity to take about the extra credit activities. You can check it out, read the instructions, and submit it. Also, you are going to have basically, it's going to be another short chapter, just 2 days, 3 days, 2 days and a half of content, and it's going to be our last unit test. It means because it's the 4th unit test, it's going to be related to the content we have already studied, of course, and we are going to drop the lowest graded unit test you have. So do your best, get the highest grade, and the lowest grade is going to be dropped. And remember to check it out the VHL calendar. No worries, you are not going to receive any penalty for late submissions. Just submit it before the due date or before the unit test, before taking the unit test. And this is the last week, basically, unit 4 and unit 5. And if by chance you can complete any missing VHL activity, complete it before the Monday 11. Because that day is the day I'm going to update all grades about VHL. Remember the compositions and to check the due dates of the composition after you have checked the feedback on the unit test, of course. I'm going to provide you feedback on the compositions and you're going to receive full points just by completion and feedback, of course. The same with Flipgrid activities. And I'm going to post some videos regarding the feedback so you can study some topics that you have to review before the final test. And I think that it's all, and merci infiniment et au revoir.